Welcome to Best Quality.
5 Best HVAC Vacuum Pumps and Recovery Machines 2026. Today, we're diving into the 5 best HVAC vacuum pumps and recovery machines that will make your installations faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, we've got the top picks that combine.
Top 1.
Vivahome VG Series AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set. The Vivahome VG Series AC Vacuum Pump and Gauge Set is ideal for HVAC and air conditioning maintenance. It helps users efficiently remove air and moisture from refrigeration systems, ensuring optimal performance. With accurate pressure readings, technicians can monitor system conditions while performing service tasks. This pump simplifies routine maintenance and reduces the risk of equipment damage caused by residual air or moisture. Its compact design makes it easy to transport between job sites while maintaining reliable operation. Users benefit from consistent suction and dependable performance during extended tasks. The system allows quick,
Top 2.
Spexter 110V 1 HP 9.6 CFM Dual Stage HVAC Vacuum. The Spexter 110V 1 HP Dual Stage HVAC Vacuum is designed for professional-grade refrigeration and air conditioning service. It enables fast and efficient evacuation of moisture and air from HVAC systems, reducing the risk of damage and improving system performance. Clear readings help technicians track system pressure accurately while performing routine maintenance. Its dual-stage operation provides stronger suction and quicker evacuation compared to single-stage models. This improves workflow efficiency and allows faster completion of service tasks. The tool's durability ensures
Top 3.
Fieldpiece VP67 Vacuum Pump 6 CFM 1/2 HP DC Motor. The Fieldpiece VP67 Vacuum Pump is designed for HVAC professionals requiring reliable evacuation of air and moisture from AC and refrigeration systems. Its 6 CFM capacity and DC motor ensure steady performance for consistent vacuum creation, improving system efficiency and safety during service tasks. Accurate pressure readings allow technicians to monitor system conditions precisely. This compact and portable pump supports multiple service locations, making it easier for professionals to transport and use on the go. Users benefit from a durable design that withstands repeated use and heavy workloads. The pump's responsive controls enable efficient operation and faster system evacuation.
Top 4.
Navac Dual Stage HVAC Vacuum Pump. The Navac Dual Stage HVAC Vacuum Pump delivers high-efficiency evacuation for refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Its dual-stage design enables faster and deeper removal of air and moisture, improving system reliability and performance. Technicians can rely on clear and accurate gauge readings to monitor system conditions during service work. Portable and compact, this pump is easy to carry between job sites, offering convenience for busy professionals. The durable build ensures consistent performance under repeated use and demanding conditions.
Top 5.
Orion MotorTech 14.4 CFM 2-stage vacuum pump. The Orion MotorTech 14.4 CFM 2-stage vacuum pump is built for professionals needing high-capacity evacuation for HVAC and refrigeration systems. Its dual-stage operation allows rapid removal of air and moisture, ensuring efficient service and reduced system stress. Clear gauge readings allow technicians to monitor system performance precisely. This pump's powerful suction supports both residential and commercial applications. Portable design makes it easy to move between job sites, while durable construction ensures long-term reliability. The integrated gauge helps identify
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.